how to make suggestions. How to make suggestions by using the modal verb shall. Let's have a look. Shall we start the lesson? Shall we start the lesson? When we are going to make suggestions by using the modal verb shall, we use the modal verb shall first, then the pronoun we or I. Generally we use the pronoun we plus a verb. That verb should be in simple form. Let's have a look. Shall we listen to the music? Shall we listen to the music? Shall we play cricket? Shall we play cricket? Shall we dance? Shall we dance? Shall we complete the job? Shall we complete the job? Shall we arrange the table? Shall we arrange the table? Shall we invite him? Shall we invite him? Shall we call it a day? Shall we call it a day? So I hope you could learn something from this video. Try to make some suggestions. See you.